Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E300 4MATIC. This is in a black exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, .4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz and E300 badging, power opening and closing trunk, premium Burmester sound system, rear seats, memory seats with driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel, now mileage on this vehicle is 58,497. Do have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio. We have our climate control system here. Navigation. Backup camera. Mercedes-Benz shifter. And center console. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.